Hello and welcome to the Savera. This is Dinkle before you with the headline which is very important for you, especially if you own an iPhone, because Apple has issued a warning of extremely advanced spyware that can hack your phone, get your all the personal information related to your contacts, email, WhatsApp messages and all other stuff that you keep in your phone. Let me drive you through details. Apple has issued an alert of extremely advanced cyber attack to iPhone users in 92 countries, including India. Apple, the parent corporation, on Wednesday updated its guidelines about extremely sophisticated device intrusion and informed targeted users in an email that hackers sought to remotely compromise the iPhone associated with your Apple ID. Despite being referred to as mercenary attacks, hackers do not target users in order to obtain personal information like bank account numbers. They prefer to target well-known people, including politicians, journalists, and diplomats because of who they are and what they do, said Apple in its new guidelines. Apple claimed that mercenary spyware attacks are more complex than regular cybercriminal activity and consumer malware, and that they are constantly changing due to their unusual funding. The extreme cost, sophistication, and worldwide nature of mercenary spyware attacks makes them some sort of advanced digital threats in existence today, the alert reads. Although it's never possible to achieve absolute certainty when detecting such attacks, Apple has high confidence in this warning. Please take it seriously, said the alert. Even though the latest warning does away with the word state-sponsored, the tech giant nevertheless states that these attacks have historically been associated with state actors. Reuters noted that the Apple came under fire last fall for incident involving the Indian government and its opposition leaders. Proxy may be also utilized on behalf of a country at other times. Apple has warned people in at least 150 countries since 2021 about the possibility of their devices may be hit by exceptionally well-funded attacks. Well, here is to help you out what to do if you get iPhone spyware warning. Apple has released a growing number of iOS updates in past few years to fix security flaws that may have been exploited by spyware attacks. It has issued emergency security updates, particularly in cases where assaults are already leveraging an iPhone vulnerability. The reason spyware attacks are so terrifying that the malware can be distributed using a zero-click attack, meaning an iPhone user does not need to interact with the attack. For instance, a malicious image can be sent via WhatsApp or iMessage. If successful, these attacks against iPhone spyware give opponents take control over the device. Following this, hackers get access to everything on iPhone screen. They can read all your emails, listen to your calls, and even use apps like Signal and WhatsApp. If you have received a notification from Apple, you can get in touch with the Amnesty International Security Lab, a human rights group that provides digital forensic assistance to journalists, activists, human rights defenders and members of civil society who are facing a threat. If you are a member of civil society and you have received an Apple notification, you can contact us and request forensic support using Get Help form, according to a notice on Amnesty International's website. That's all for now. For more updates, stay tuned to the Savera.